away from Kiruna, and I'm going to see if I can sleep somewhere near the ice hotel tonight, because I would quite like to go to the bar in the ice hotel. I think that would be quite fun for a couple of drinks.
In half a mile, the destination is on your left, Nubigavajan 4.
Right, I've made it to the place with the ice hotel. If a hotel made of ice wishes to make itself known, that would be great, because I don't really know where I'm going. There must be signs. Oh, there's a speed limit as well, Alex. Ah, there is a sign. Ice Hotel. Ice Hotel bus parking. Ice Hotel parking, I think.
The destination is on your left, Nubigavajan 4. Arrived.
Oh, well, that almost reversed into a very large block of ice. Right, I need to figure out now where to go, because I obviously can't stay at the ice hotel. Right, it appeared about 3/4 of a mile away from the ice hotel. There's a car park which you can stay in overnight at the Sami Museum. There's a couple of other vehicles already here, so I think I'm going to stay here the night. Well, I'm going to go to the ice hotel, I think. Not a bad looking little park up for the night. Right, it's about minus 14 or 15 at the minute. I'm just going to go walk over to the ice hotel. Hopefully get some dinner and well, to the bar. Huh. The bins in Sweden are far squatter than ours are in the UK. You can tell it's cold because I'm not even halfway on the walk yet and my beard's starting to freeze. At least I can feel it. Unfortunately, it seems the ice bar closes at 7 PM, so I think I've missed it for the day, which is a bit of a shame. We'll try the Ice Hotel restaurant instead.
Ohne Blitz.
Schleier.
Das hab ich aufgenommen.
Nee, ich hab den zu Hause. Well, a nice meal in the Ice Hotel's restaurant. Time to walk back to the van. Also, a nice little Northern Lights display as well. So, wandering back to the Ice Hotel today, get a day pass and have a look around the place, because it's not just a hotel made of ice, but it's also an art gallery for sort of ice sculptures and things like that. It'd be nice just to have a bit of a look around and see if I can finally get in the ice bar. I don't really know if you need a ticket, so I'm just going to walk through until someone stops me. Just act like you belong. Well, this appears to be an ice slide. How can I resist? Oh god. Oh my god. I mean, how could I not do that? Right, let's go in here next. It's an ice cinema. This place is so cool. It's also so quiet as well because snow and ice is a really good insulator. How cool is this? So what I didn't realise is that the art gallery aspect is the hotel aspect, and that I guess the bedrooms are the gallery during the day. Amazing. I feel like I'm in a video game. There's a door behind a frozen wall of ice. Ice sunbed. Oh, it's an ice-like spa. Snow towel. Just wow. I'm not going to show you all of these because there are so many, but maybe I'll show you a few highlights. I don't even know if I'm allowed to film in photo. It's an art gallery. It's just amazing. Also don't know if I'm meant to be here. There's no one else here. I haven't bought a ticket. Be rude not to visit the ice bar. Well, I had to go for a non-alcoholic beer because I'm driving, but beer, ice glass. Lifelong goal complete. Drinking a beer from an ice glass in the ice bar at the Ice Hotel in Sweden. It's extremely difficult to drink from a glass made of ice, very slippy. I think in this bar you get to keep the glass if you want to, but I'm not sure that these are dishwasher safe. I just kind of want to go down the slide again. Oh, more reasonable steps. Right, well, it'd be silly to use the stairs, but that's what's lumpy. What's in there? Can you go in there? Those doors sort of just mysteriously opened when I walked past them, so I'm just going to have a look around until someone tells me off. Oh, so this is the actual ice hotel, which is made of ice. The ice hotel rooms don't actually have any doors. I mean, it'd be rude not to just try it, wouldn't it? Can't believe I'm in a nice hotel room. These are like, I think like £1,300 a night. Be rude not to. Quite comfy. My ice palace. I guess, you know, you need to be quite quiet in here, not much privacy. Sound gets out. Some of these beds are just huge. Oh, more art rooms. Oh, well. That's just amazing. Can't believe you can have these as your bedroom. I'm just going to presume that you're allowed to walk around all of this. But if anyone's ever in this area, go see the ice hotel. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. Oh, absolutely amazing. Ooh, slippy. There are an awful lot of fire exits, considering the building is made from ice. Time to go. Looks like I have a bit of a coolant leak to fix at some point. Well, that was just amazing. I've always wanted to see the ice hotel ever since I saw a program about it on like National Geographic as a kid, and yeah, just pretty cool. There are two parts to the hotel. I don't know if I came across in the footage. There's the bit where the first art rooms and the ice bar are in the Ice Hotel 365, which I think is the permanent structure. So they've got a permanent cold ice room, ice hotel all year round. And then the second part was the ice hotel, which is built every year. It's also got a range of art rooms, which are ice and non-ice rooms as well. And there are also warm rooms somewhere else as well, so you could, which are a lot cheaper than staying in the ice rooms. But yeah, just an experience I've always wanted to go see, really. So at the moment, I am making my way to Jogmok, I think it's pronounced, which is an Arctic Circle crossing point where you cross the Arctic Circle. I've not been to before, so I think that would be quite cool, and I'd like to go visit that. That's just the campsite I stayed at last time when I was up here on a Monday. whilst it would be really cool to go stay there today or tonight, I am running out of days before I need to get back to the UK, and Calais is a lot of miles away from here, and I've got maybe 5 or 6 days. But I think I'm going to go visit Ash and Marie again on the way down and see them for maybe Friday, Saturday. That's pretty much going to end this episode here. I forgot to see the Ice Hotel and it was brilliant. Anyone who's ever up in this part of the world, I recommend going to the Ice Hotel, even in the summer, because you've got the Ice Hotel 365, I think that's what it's called, which is here all round. Then you have the bit which is built every year. Yeah, so I'm going to start making my way south from now on, and I think I'm going to go to Jokkmokk on the next video and hopefully go visit Ash and Marie from Lost in Europe again. But yeah, thank you very much for joining me. If you've enjoyed what you've seen and want to see some of the other stuff, feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn a bit about the van and some of the upgrades I made to be able to come up here in the winter, check out the upgrade list or that playlist. And yeah, leave a like or comment if you want. Yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.